Hi guys, it's Monday, 4/20, and on Wednesday it is Earth Day. So in honor of that, we are going to be celebrating Earth Week. So we're going to be learning a little bit about how Earth Day began, why it became something that we acknowledge and celebrate, and then also we're going to do some projects that help restore our Earth. So I might have you do something with recycling or gardening or just acknowledging the day in general or things that we can do to make our Earth better. So that is where we are going this week. Please make sure that you have double checked and that you have turned in Thursday's assignment. That is due today. Also, you can check PowerSchool to see if you are missing anything. That is a good place to go. You should be able to see if something has been turned in, if it was turned in incomplete, or if it was late, or if it's missing. So please make sure that you are using that as a tool. Also on your classwork, you should be able to see if something was turned in or missing. Now, today we will start the week with a little research project about the history of Earth. You will be completing the Earth Day infographic about who, what, when, where, how, and why we celebrate Earth Day. Please follow the instructions on the assignment, and this will be due tomorrow at midnight, okay? So I'm going to show you what that looks like. The infographic looks like this. Now, the first slide is just some information to show you guys what you need to accomplish on this slide. So it has all the directions. I know you guys have done the slides before. We did it in like week 1 or week 2 of e-learning, and some of you guys had issues with making it bigger. So you need to make sure that as soon as you open it, you change the view to 100% so that you have a larger text. So you're just going to go up to view, and then you're going to go to zoom and then go to 100%, and then it'll be nice and big for you to be able to see and write and do all the things that you need to get done. Okay, now the backwards arrow will take you back 1 keystroke. Obviously, you guys know that. But if you accidentally delete a slide, simply hit the back arrow and then it should bring back your slide. All of your work is saved in Drive, so there's no need to save. It doesn't get lost. It's always there. And then I can also see your guys' progress as you are moving through this. So it's a live document when you guys are working on it. So if you need me to check in on something, I can get on and see what you are doing. Now, here are the instructions that you need to follow. You can use bullet points or you can use paragraph form to complete the answers that you're going to be putting in the boxes. You're going to use Google to research the questions about Earth Day. So remember that you need to cite your sources. This is really important. It's something that you guys really need to get good at and a skill that you need to use. So who was involved in creating recognizing Earth Day? What was happening in the world that prompted the need for Earth Day? Where in the world did Earth Day originate? When did Earth Day gain recognition and go global, and what date is it celebrated? Why did they, the people who founded or came up with Earth Day, why did they feel like we needed a day to recognize the Earth's needs? And then how did Earth Day change over the years from the very first Earth Day, which you guys are going to be researching when that was, until now? So what has changed within that? And then you need to make sure you cite your sources. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what this is going to look like. You are going to have a template that looks like this, kind of like an infographic. On the second slide is where you're going to do your work. So the who you're going to type in here, all you have to do is click and type, and there goes your work, okay? Same with all of these boxes. So again, you can do bullet points, you can do paragraph form, that is up to you. You also come down here, you have the when, your why, and your how. Also, on the third slide, this is where you can take notes, ask yourself questions, put comments. If you need more room in the boxes that you are working on, you can title it like when and then continue writing whatever it is that you need to be writing, okay? So this is a place of just extra whatever you need. At the bottom of this, though, there's a blue box. This is where you're going to put your sources. So please cite your sources, okay? All right, so we are looking for just the basic information. So this should not be something that is like a 10-page research assignment. Just find the basic information we're asking about Earth Day, just to give you guys some background and some knowledge on why we celebrate the day and why it was needed. So that is your assignment for today. It is due tomorrow, Tuesday, by 11:59, so right before midnight. Please make sure that you have that turned in on time. And then I will go ahead and show you what we will be doing for the rest of the week tomorrow. All right? If you guys have any questions or concerns or need help, please make sure that you are reaching out, and I will be on the other end to answer your questions. I hope that you guys all have a great day. Bye.